Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to change tan x into this one. So sin x, we can do about factorization. Now we can simplify sin x. Next, we need to multiply by cosine x on numerator and denominator. So cosine x multiplied by this one. So we have cosine x minus number 1. So we have the formula in here. So because we have sin x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. And then we have sin x squared equals to number 1 minus cosine x squared. So I will put this one go in here. And now we have the second formula in here. So one that is about 1 square. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we put the negative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 minus cosine x. And now we simplify 1 minus cosine x. So we put number 0 going here and here. So we have the final answer. That is about negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.